Welcome to English Practice Everyday. In today's preposition practice video, we will understand how the preposition about is used in various contexts to indicate different relationships between events, objects, and people in a sentence. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me. 1. Preposition about indicating concerning or on the subject of is used to refer to the topic or subject of something. Preposition about is used to refer to the topic or subject of something. We talked about the weather. We talked about the weather. Joe asked about the new policy. Joe asked about the new policy. Eve is curious about the results. Eve is curious about the results. The book is about ancient history. The book is about ancient history. The movie is about space exploration. The movie is about space exploration. 2. Preposition about pertaining to character or appearance is used to describe something related to a person's character or the appearance of an object or scene. Preposition about is used to describe something related to a person's character or the appearance of an object or scene. There's something mysterious about Tim. There's something mysterious about Tim. There's a peaceful feeling about this place. There's a peaceful feeling about this place. There's something charming about old cities. There's something charming about old cities. What I admire most about Ivy is her kindness. What I admire most about Ivy is her kindness. Something funny about the situation made everyone laugh. Something funny about the situation made everyone laugh. 3. Preposition about meaning round or encircling is used to describe something surrounding or encircling. Preposition about is used to describe something surrounding or encircling. The vines grew about the fence. The vines grew about the fence. The kids ran about the playground. The kids ran about the playground. A scarf was wrapped about Kate's neck. A scarf was wrapped about Kate's neck. They placed decorations about the room. They placed decorations about the room. Mom threw her arms about my shoulders. Mom threw her arms about my shoulders. 4. Preposition about indicating vicinity or being around is used to describe being near or around a place. Preposition about is used to describe being near or around a place. I saw him walking about the park. I saw him walking about the park. There are flowers about the house. There are flowers about the house. The birds are flying about the trees. The birds are flying about the trees. There's a lot of noise about the city today. There's a lot of noise about the city today. We spent the afternoon wandering about town. We spent the afternoon wandering about town. 5. Preposition about indicating possession is used to describe something that someone is carrying or has on their person. Preposition about is used to describe something that someone is carrying or has on their person. Jack had his phone about him. Jack had his phone about him. I had no money about me at the time. I had no money about me at the time. Jane always keeps her keys about her. Jane always keeps her keys about her. There is a certain air of confidence about her. There is a certain air of confidence about her. Sam carries a pen about him wherever he goes. Sam carries a pen about him wherever he goes. 6. Preposition about, meaning various places over a given area, is used to indicate multiple locations within a certain area. Preposition about is used to indicate multiple locations within a certain area. People were sitting about the lawn. People were sitting about the lawn. Books were scattered about the room. Books were scattered about the room. The papers were spread about the desk. The papers were spread about the desk. The students were gathered about the playground. The students were gathered about the playground. There are beautiful paintings scattered about the gallery. There are beautiful paintings scattered about the gallery. 7. Preposition about, indicating movement from one place to another, is used to describe moving from one place to another in a specific area. Preposition about is used to describe moving from one place to another in a specific area. The cat was pacing about the garden. The cat was pacing about the garden. We strolled about the park after dinner. We strolled about the park after dinner. They roamed about the streets all night. They roamed about the streets all night. I ran about the market shopping for ingredients. I ran about the market shopping for ingredients. Dad wandered about the house looking for his keys. Dad wandered about the house looking for his keys. 8. Preposition about, indicating presence within a given area, is used to describe something or someone existing somewhere within an area. Preposition about is used to describe something or someone existing somewhere within an area. Ben is somewhere about the building. Ben is somewhere about the building. There are lots of people about the park. There are lots of people about the park. Jenny is about the house if you need her. Jenny is about the house if you need her. There's no one about the office at this hour. There's no one about the office at this hour. I couldn't find Tom anywhere about the mall. I couldn't find Tom anywhere about the mall. 9. Preposition about, indicating being on the point of with an infinitive, is used to describe something that is about to happen soon. Preposition about is used to describe something that is about to happen soon. The movie is about to begin. The movie is about to begin. We are about to leave for the airport. We are about to leave for the airport. Zoe is about to start a presentation. Zoe is about to start a presentation. They are about to announce the results. They are about to announce the results. I was about to call you when you arrived. I was about to call you when you arrived. 10. Preposition about, indicating engagement in an activity, is used to describe someone performing or engaged in an activity. Preposition about is used to describe someone performing or engaged in an activity. Jeff is busy about his work. Jeff is busy about his work. The workers are about their tasks. The workers are about their tasks. The gardener was about his duties. The gardener was about his duties. Sue was always about some new project. Sue was always about some new project. They went about their business quietly. They went about their business quietly. That's all for this preposition practice session. Please keep practicing the accurate use of the preposition about in your daily life. In our next video, we will pick up another preposition to learn and master. Bye for now.